What's up, everybody? Just got over here to the Freedom Factory. They got like an open house thing going on today. So gonna go find some of the boys and bring you guys along. Goldust made a trip up from Miami. We're here in Bradenton. It's about a 4-hour drive. No questions, no problems. It was awesome. We're out here. There's the burnout field. I'm down to blow up some tires, but we'll see if they're letting people do that or not. I have no idea. Walking around a little bit, and they told me to move the truck down here to the middle, so that's what I did. I'll give you guys a little bit of what I got on the truck. The motor is stock right now, but we did just do the interior, and that looks great. Alright, so I was going to do this in a separate video at an actual dyno shop, which I'm still planning on. I actually have a dyno session tomorrow, but they got a dyno out here, so I'm going to put her on the dyno and see what she does and just have some fun with it. So I'm going to go bring her over there. Thought I'd let you guys know. Alright, it's my turn for the dyno. I'm going to back on up. They're going to pull it onto the dyno. Alright, so they're putting her, strapping her down, everything. Got the drone up, so you guys get some drone footage.
I mean, it's a diesel.
Is she looking alright?
Yeah, just looking at your long drive shaft under there.
Real long. Hey, everybody, it can't break, so wish me luck. All right, once she's strapped down, I'll catch you guys. What do you mean?
Like I'm hitting it and it just...
So Goldust is acting up. She doesn't want to go do a dyno pull. We're going to try one more time, but she's sticking at 40 miles an hour.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me see here. I'll try it. So we're going to nail it here. And that's it. definitely pulling fuel. I just don't know why.
Yeah.
It's like it's on a governor or something. But I know it's an old 12 valve, so.
Yeah. Well, I guess I'll figure it out another time.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know what it's doing. Now, of course, you know that when you take it off here, it's gonna go like full throttle down, no problem.
Yeah, of course.
So.
Well, that was no fun, but hey, she went on the dyno. Didn't do more than 40 though.
I'll go over 40 miles an hour. Okay. Yeah, it just.
Anyway, we're gonna pull her down, and then I don't know why anything wouldn't work, but it don't. All right, so we're gonna pull her down. She didn't want to do nothing. Weird. I'm gonna go take her around the block, see what the heck it was. I think he might have just had it not in drive and put it in third by mistake, but I have no idea. We'll figure something out. All right, everybody. So that's it. The show's pretty much over. Gonna be headed back, and thank you guys for watching. If you got any questions, comments, drop them below. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up. And if you like the content, consider subscribing to the channel. We'll catch you next time. Peace.